So if you're anything like my clients, or honestly the way I used to feel, then you've done some work on yourself. You know, your relationships presented you with some challenges and some opportunities, and you took advantage of them as a way to understand where you needed to grow, where you needed to shift, what you needed to learn. Maybe you've even engaged in some spiritual development, or you can consider yourself to be a spiritually evolved person who's continuing along their spiritual path. And so either you're single, or you're dating and you're attracting, or you're in a relationship, and yet something still just isn't measuring up. So if any of those scenarios feel familiar to you, then I'd love to invite you to a complimentary love alignment session. There's a button you can press to the right of this video, below this video, and it will take you to a form so that I can get some information about you in specific, and then it will take you to a schedule so that you can schedule a complimentary love alignment session with me. And so what we'll do is we'll connect one-on-one, I'll get to know you better, and we'll dig deep and we'll figure out what's really going on here, what's still holding you back. So if you want that soulmate relationship here, now, in this lifetime, then you can have it and you will receive it, and I can help you. So a lot of my clients, they start out feeling really frustrated, they start out feeling really jaded, and they end up in committed partnerships, they end up in harmonious relationships, they end up happier than they ever thought existed, they end up more secure than they ever thought was possible, and they're inspired, and they're confident, and they're in love with their lives, and their finances shift, and they're in love with their relationships. So go ahead and schedule your complimentary love alignment session. Click on that button, because I look forward to connecting with you. I look forward to getting to know you more deeply, to really helping you transcend and shift this. So namaste. I look forward to connecting.